Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Holland's Classroom, where today we're going to be doing a letter keyword sound drill. It's going to be 1 minute long, so when I flip the timer, we'll go for 1 minute and then we'll be all done, okay? Let's give it a try. You ready? Starting now. A apple A. B bat B. C cat K. D dog D. E ed E. F fun F. G game G. H hat H. I'm just kidding. I itch I. J jug J. K kite K. L lamp O. M man M. Just like that, we are out of time. So come back for the next one if you want some more practice. We're going to keep going from there. But until then, I will see you later. Bye, everyone. Everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And also, if you like these videos, check out some of the other videos that I have. But until next time, I will see you later. Bye, everyone.